Dear students, now we will see how to implement voltage division rule in a circuit. And let us consider a circuit consists of 12 volts and two resistors of 10k and 1k. See the connection: 12 volts power supply, 10k resistor, 1k resistor. Ammeter is connected to measure I through it. So now applying KVL to the mesh, you see that minus 12 plus V1 plus V2 equal to 0. Don't think this is not a circuit element. This is the ammeter used to measure the current. So we know that V1 is nothing but 10k into I. Since this is connected in series, current through this is I only. 10k into I plus 1k into I equal to 12. So I equal to 12 by 11k. It is around 1.09 milliamps. To measure V1 and V2, we will apply voltage division rule. So voltage division rule says any branch voltage equal to total voltage into resistance of that branch divided by the total resistance. Here it is V1 equal to V is 12 volts into 10k by 11k. So you will get around 10.9 volts. V2 is 12 into 1k by 11k. It is around 1.09 volts. See that V equal to V1 plus V2. What KVL says, sum of the voltage drop around a closed loop is equal to 0. So V minus of V1 plus V2 equal to 0. Otherwise capital V equal to V1 plus V2. It is around 12 volts. This now we will implement in the breadboard. So I have taken technical support from Mr. Prakash, Mechanic, Department of ECE, NIT, Mysore. Now you observe the circuit. See, this is the breadboard. See, this is the power supply. It consists of 5 volts power supply, 12 volts power supply and 15 volts power supply. I am using 12 volts power supply. Now you see how we will connect the circuit. See, this is ground. Ground is connected here. This is positive of this connected to 10k. See, this is the 10k resistor. This is the 1k resistor. One end of the 10k is connected to positive of the 12 volt supply. Other end of the 10k, it is connected to 1k. 1k other end is connected to ammeter. Always we have to measure current. Ammeter should be connected like this. Don't keep it across. So voltage we can measure across, but current is through the circuit. So see, the ammeter one end is connected here. Negative is connected to ground. This completes the circuit and circuit closes. Now current flows. See that already it is given 12 volts power supply. Because of the 12 volts power supply, ammeter is showing the current. It is around 0.9. It is almost equal to 1.9 milliamps. And theoretically, now we will measure what is the voltage across resistor, voltage across the power supply. Always see that measure, it will. We will measure voltage with respect to ground. You can see this is the voltage observed in the voltmeter. It is around 11.66 volts. Theoretically it is 12 volts, but practically maybe some loss will be there, 11.66 volts. This is the total voltage. Now to measure voltage across resistor 10k, now you can observe 10.6 it is coming. Now to measure the voltage across 1k, it is around 1.05 volts. So see that total power supply, total voltage applied is equal to, is distributed between this and this. Okay, here around 10.5 volts, here it is 1 volts, it is almost equal to 11.6 volts. Like this we can set up a circuit and we can implement voltage division rule, implement the circuit here, and we can verify voltage division rule in this circuit. Thank you.